Okay, hi you guys, it's Kaden King and welcome back to my channel. It would be so much fun if I did a little what I got for Christmas 2023. I honestly had the worst Christmas of my life, but at least I got some beautiful gifts. And you know, I mean that in a very joking way. Like, I did have an okay Christmas. It just wasn't what I wanted because I'm still single, but I'm all good. I got to spend the time with my family and that was really fun. And I just kind of wanted to get on here and show you guys what I got. Okay, so update. I did actually end up finding my Cartier ring and this Tiffany's ring, so nobody panic because I know I said I lost it in the last video, but I got really lucky and it was in the bottom of my mom's purse somehow. I don't know how it ended up there, but anyway, she's like, I found your rings, and I freaking started crying because I didn't even tell anyone that I lost it because I was so scared of just admitting that I lost such an expensive item, but we found it, so we're Gucci. So let's start with our first couple of items. So a lot of things I got this year were from Victoria's Secret. They had so much cute sparkly stuff this year. I feel like they really kind of popped off. Got this hoodie. It's kind of raw, so it kind of shows a little bit of tummy, which we always love. Even in the winter, like, I'm in cropped hoodies, you know, that's the vibe. And then this one was actually really surprising. So I got a green, it's another pink jacket. It's kind of cropped as well. I am a whore for black, okay? I love black everything, like black shoes, like black. For some reason, I saw this green one and I was kind of drawn to it, and I just thought it was kind of a pretty color. I'm excited for this because I feel like it's me stepping outside of my comfort zone, and it's really soft, which I love. And then we also got this other, I'm into cropped lately, if you can't tell, because mama lost weight. She's down to 120 pounds, which means as of last year, I've lost 60 pounds, which is nuts, but I've been a gym connoisseur. I've been going to the gym all the time. I run all the time. So I've been really proud of that. So of course I want to wear crop things so I can show off my little gorgeous body. So we got this other crop shirt. It's super cute. These aren't that exciting, but I got some pants that are kind of like the green jacket, same material that'll go with all those things. That was really fun. And then the highlight, if you don't know, I've been trying to replace my freaking Victoria's Secret pajamas for like over a year now because they got ripped by my ex. Not ripped in a good way, like ripped in a mean way because he hated them. I found the most beautiful Victoria's Secret pattern this year, and I don't know if you can tell, it's just like a really pretty floral, and then it's got these gorgeous bows. They're really cute on, and I freaking just live for these. So I'm so excited to have these jammies again because I've literally been wearing like either underwear and like a crop top to bed or like nothing, and I love sleeping in a jammy. They also had the cutest, I don't know how appropriate this is to show this on here. They had these, which are super cute because the sides of them are like doubled, and then they say pink across them, which is really cute. And then again, they had so many sparkly things this year that I had to get these ones as well. Aren't those so cute with the little sparkles? I got those. This is like super fun. Like, I was hoping I could use it as like a swim top next year, but it's just this Victoria's Secret. It's kind of like giving Kim Kardashian Skims, which I don't mind that they're doing it because Skims are expensive. This I got in a medium, but it's like super tight and it just like looks snatched. So I'm excited to use that. I'm hoping like a little beach moment this year. I also got this gorgeous Coach bag. Normally I'm a sucker for Louis Vuitton, and I want Louis Vuitton or Gucci or something super high end. I think Coach has really made a comeback in my eyes, or my opinion, because I think a lot of their stuff has been just so cute lately, and I just thought this was like the perfect little bag. This didn't come with it. I had to buy the cherry charm separately and then hook it on there, but I just thought like this is gonna be like the perfect little date night bag. I'm never going on a date because men hate me. Just thought it was so cute and I can't get over it. I just loved staring at it and having it, you know, just in my collection because I just think it's really pretty. And it's kind of nice because I feel like this is really sturdy, and like a lot of the time I'm scared to take my Louis or other things places because like if I'm taking those bags, like I have to watch them, you know, like I gotta keep track. This, like I feel like I can fumble around with and not be as scared that I'm gonna damage it. And then I also got a bunch of Lululemon stuff, but I'm not gonna show it because it's literally all black. I did have to show off these Lululemon bags, so it's like in a Sherpa. I thought that was really cute. Not sure what I'm gonna use them for. I don't know if I'll use them like as a makeup bag or something, but they're really fuzzy and soft, and I got them. That's always a vibe. And then I don't know if you've all been sleeping under a rock, but Jessica Simpson, I swear, well, first of all, obsessed. Second of all, I'm kind of going back to like early 2000s. I think I just want to live there forever. Really loved her show, and I just think she's so beautiful. Like, I listened to her song, but she has amazing shoes. When I went to Taylor Swift, I bought these super crazy sparkly boots, and then she came out with these, which I think are absolutely stunning, and it's just a simple black pump. What I'll say about her shoes, especially when I wore like Like, they were crazy high sparkly boots. And I went to the Taylor Swift concert. And if you know, like, it's a 4-hour concert, and I was standing like in these heels, like jumping up and down for 4 hours, and my feet, like, honestly, like, my mom was even asking me, she's like, don't your feet hurt? No, so I could stand in them and walk in them. And it's the same with these. I think they're so comfortable. I think they're so just cute. And I think tall heels really are having a moment, especially like, so the other ones of these that I wanted, so I bought the Versace ones. They came, I could not for the life of me get my feet in them, and I went a size up just because I was scared that I wasn't going to be able to get my feet in them, and I couldn't no matter what I did. And I knew if I got a bigger size it would just be too long and I wouldn't be able to wear them, and it was really sad, and I had to take them back and I cried. That's also why I love Jessica Simpson shoes, because they fit boys and they're way cheaper. So I saved $1,400 by getting these $100, $200 shoes. And yeah, I'm just super excited. I'm not sure where I'm gonna wear them. I really don't wear heels unless it's like a moment. So I was thinking like maybe my birthday or New Year's, or I don't know, something, I will wear these. So that all being said, I am so excited to show you guys this next and final thing that I got for Christmas. This one was actually really special because the long story of it is my mom went to New York. I wasn't able to go. I was so sad. She went to the Tiffany store. She went to Tiffany & Co., which is their like flagship breakfast at Tiffany's. That's the store. And she came back with the cutest charm bracelet, which I totally adored. Like, I adored it, right? And it had a cute little charm. The charm she got had like a scratch in it that she didn't notice. So we went to the Tiffany here, go exchange it. I saw something else and I just got really excited about it. And I'm kind of sad because it's not from New York like the bracelet would have been. It's just really special. I'm just gonna pull it out. So this is the box that it came in. It's just this simple necklace that has 2 rings that are like attached to each other. One is gold, one is silver. And I just thought it was really cute, and it just hangs on my neck really well. Especially I love the fact that it's gold and silver. Can, you know, wear mixed jewelry with it, which I loved that idea. Obviously the box it came in is super stunning because it's like Tiffany & Co. Like, yeah, this was really special to me. It was also partly a graduation gift because I did get my associate's degree. You guys didn't know. So I got my associate's degree in science, and then I'm going to start nursing school in the fall. I'm really excited about. So yeah, that was my Christmas this year. I just wanted to kind of get on here again, say hi. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have an amazing holiday, and I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. So thank you. Bye. No, I don't think that's gonna do it. I just want to have like crazy stuff in my hand. I don't know if I like that thumbnail. Maybe if I got the Tiffany box. When you're really trying to make it extra. Okay, that's enough. Goodbye, hookers.